April 16th, Saturday. Oops, there you go. Temperature 25 degrees. Plenty of tourists around, you can see. Lovely weather, full of sun. The season started good. Can't say we're early in the season anyways, but it started okay. And from the Monday they will also stop the flight pass. No more flight pass requested. They already changed some rules for locals from the 11th, April 11th. Basically less tests, and many places now that don't request safe pass, like bakeries, grocery stores, supermarkets, pharmacy. They don't need a safe pass anymore. You can see it's lovely, full of people, all tourists I can see. Next time we'll bring the drone and fly it from the sides. Good Sunday. I see people here from Israel, I see English. Huh? What? It's free Israel Passover today, Pascha for Israel people. For us, the Christian Orthodox, it's starting from next week. From 24th? What 24th? What is that day?
24th, it's the Pascha.
Yeah, that's okay, but we have the Holy Week from Monday. Ali, put the music down. We don't bring Teddy today. Come for a fast coffee. We took him for a walk before, but we don't bring him now with us. He's upset, of course. But we promise him next time we bring him for a long walk. Okay, here the construction is still going on. Supposed to be done by now. Tilakti! Yeah. Yeah, it's okay. It's one friend. He works at the glass bottom boat. It's this bottom boat over there, which takes people inside, and it's glass on the bottom. You can see some turtles sometimes. You can see the sea bottom. It's not very expensive. I don't remember the price, but it's good price and it's worth it for one day to also go. For the outside areas, nobody needs. It's not mandatory to wear a mask anymore. Even for restaurants or cafeterias, when you sit outside, you don't have to wear a mask. This is started from April 11th. I mean, most people, anyways, when they were walking outside, they never wear a mask. That makes sense. But now they just say, officially rules that it's okay if you go in a cafeteria, restaurants, in an outside sitting, you don't need to wear a mask before you sit down. And many places for vaccinated or for recovery, you don't need safe pass, and other places also you don't need safe pass anyways. They put them like in 3 categories: low risk categories, medium risk, and high risk categories. There's a Daphne apartment still, let's say, reconstruction, it's renovation because they throw everything down and they build again. You want to go there? No. Go say. Okay, let's go straight. Good. What make? What is this? Cappuccino? That is good. Let's do a second round before the end of this video. It's now 3:30 at time. So my car says 24.5, so I guess about feel it for sure. It's feeling hotter. So we should start swimming soon, no?
Yes, next my day off I will.
Look at this. See, all in lights came down. Oh my God, this coffee.